Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I know you've been following my health journey, and this time I'm sharing a recipe with you. It is simple, it is good, it is delicious, healthy, and something that you can do with your family. But before I start with the recipe, I would love to invite you to my friend's channel. Her channel is Get Motivated with Me. She is really into fitness as well, and she shares her family life, and now she's pregnant, so she's sharing videos about that. So if you would like to go and follow her, I'm gonna put the video the link below. I'm sorry, I haven't been vlogging for a while, so it's a little strange for me. And just go tell her that I say hi. I checked some of her videos, and she has a lot of fitness and diet she tries, workouts, especially now that she is pregnant, which if you're going through the same thing, you can connect with her, and she's really cool. She's awesome. Hi. So I'm gonna leave you with the recipe, but please go check her channel, and I'll talk to you in a bit. For the ingredients, we're gonna start with the shrimp. I bought frozen cooked shrimp. I'm gonna use zucchini. I'm gonna use this rice, cauliflower for the rice, and these assorted vegetables. I'm gonna use lemon, as well as the kebab sticks, cilantro, garlic, chili pepper, and a tomato. Oh, and don't forget about the salt and pepper. You wanna season this pretty good. So I'm gonna start by mixing these ingredients in a bowl, and I'm just gonna add lemon. I'm gonna season it with salt and pepper as well, and this will be the coat for my vegetables and for the shrimp. So just make sure to season everything well and add a little bit of water and kind of mix in together all the ingredients. Now I'm going to throw my vegetables in here, and I'm going to make sure that everything is covered because I want everything to have that flavor, that seasoning. So just make sure to kind of, stir them around in order for them to get soaked. Once you remove your vegetables, just throw the shrimp back in and do the same thing. And once you're done, set it aside. Save the juice, you're gonna need it later. Now here comes the fun part. You have to actually put together the kebabs, and you don't have an exact form to do this. You just kind of go around with it. We're only supposed to eat I think it was 6 ounces of shrimp, and we only did a couple per kebab. But to be honest, after all these vegetables, you end up being so full. So I made a couple of these, and I also made one for Avery. He doesn't like all these vegetables, so I only did the mushrooms for him and the shrimp, and it was still amazing. Make sure to preheat your oven at 350 degrees, and I'm using this pizza pan. I'm just gonna put aluminum foil and just kind of grease it a little with olive oil, and then I'm gonna start placing my kebabs on top, and I'm gonna put them inside the oven. It takes about 20-25 minutes depending on how toasted you want them. You can actually do them in the grill. It will taste great. Halfway through the cooking, add some of the remaining juice just to add more flavor to them, and it'll be amazing. Stick them for another 5 minutes or whatever time you got left, and enjoy. I placed mine on cauliflower rice, and they were pretty good. So I hope you enjoy this recipe. Let me know if you do.